Abusiafo, mekyia obi biara. Ene yɛba bɛhwɛ nkɔmɔ a na mene mu di enra. Yɛbɛtoa so ene. Na ansa na yɛbɛhyɛ aseɛ no. Medin de Hopsin Adoye. Eti woyɛ blogger na wopɛ sɛ wofa ayi de yɛ obi biara. Obi ansi wo kwan. But meyɛ frɛ me Hopsin Adoye. Meyɛ politician. Meyere enye politician. Meyere eye gospel musician. Eti me hu nie nti a we ye blogger na obefa mi video se wo de ye wade na wontimi ntworo Hopsin Adoye gise kokotworo me yiredin ano no everything ana ekire de menti ase mesramo. If you are using my video, mention my name, Hopsin Adoye. Take my wife out of my videos. Take my wife out of my political engagement. Mr. Remo, it is a 1 year mede to honum. Say, offer me video, anything of me. Now, what de my wife attach here, I will see you. That one, take it from me. My name is Hopsin Adoye. Hopson Adorye. Take it. I am doing it as Hopsin Adoye. It's not a family thing. Eti moi mode me yiridin na tag me na so and so husband fire so and so. Hey, go and then edit it. Put my name there. Free eneko be ye bibi to honum na wo ka ho asem. Na wan family ankasa media anye na wo de me yiridin be bata ho a I will sue you for that. Because ultimately Emfa me politics in konkonko frafra no. Besra mo a. Mesra mo a. Bedin the Hopsin Adoye. Wo de se wuntimi inspire a wo hwe me page a is there. Me ba musayin. Eti ma sheda da me ye we no for the start. We ye blogger na o pese o use video no de ye obi bia o pese o dwudwa me mu se den kra na I don't care because I'm expressing my opinion, but mention my name. Me yire ne me manka ho me na me ye eti mami mo we RTV more you show me video nunra, I don't have problem. Go there and edit it. Put my name, Hopsin Adoye there. Koko ye me yiridin free mu immediately. Besra wa. Koko yi free mu. Wa nyam free mu a me ne wo betwe manso kakra. Me pa cha wo. Me den de Hopsin Adoye. Wo pe full name Hopsin Yaovi Adoye. Write my name there. Se what de me yiredin atache a obenya problem. I am big boy enough to handle my own issues. Eti notice is hereby served. Mesdames et Emra yeshase and then 3 days. Adam ka se osofu bi owo krom ha se ye frɛ no Prophet Kofi Oduro. was in a national Alabasta Church. Now, President, a year update number 23 or so. Now, what the measures at all? Because a second of who near Ekoso ewo mayimu. Now, look, the latest rankings are on management of COVID-19. A international organization and a year, the whole world. Yes, say a man penny for more bombarding a management of COVID-19. President Ibidi Kai Obi Tosumienu, Ghana president and a Tosumiensa. Hey, me de hwa me hu. Me de hwa me hu. Me ni agye say me wo president a we are fana nyina a assessment of management of COVID-19 na yen Ghana yeto so 3. Na say me hwe Nigeria ni bia no oye video bi me say the guy ne say onyaye ananko ye Ghana ni wo ye proud of your president. Na Prophet Kofi Oduro wo de wo na we say wo ye kokotako. Eti wo no wo ka eno ano no. Na papa o arrogate power be to himself a menim be bi onya sa power de free. So said the mechanic no. Ye was off one penny for Krum has he. They are quiet. They are quiet. And that is the bane of this country. Nyame koswa en krofo say omo kasa no. They don't talk. Omo say omo twen krofo adwene say saa de we ya wo ye enye papa omo nka. Mama no nko pasisi ya na hwade. Na reaction ashase na eba. But in fixes, there is a law that in every action there is equal and equal reaction to that. Eti say action here, as a say reaction eba. Eti say ye din na se yankasa na ekoso sa. One thing, this man offered no prophet no, Prophet Kofi Oduro no, gradually no, war indoctrinate Ghanaians. Say ye bedru baby no, ye be so in discipline in this country. Ye be in discipline. Because Ghana ha asase so ho. Yese Nyankopon e na ehwe nyina so. Se ne Nyankopon ete soro a yesom no no. What the representatives aba. So for the representative of you. Odo no o kanya mi asem ni bi keke. What does it? Wo ka bi keke. Wo no ana efi se o wa ye okay wako Bible school or ye sofo. Fine. But Ghana has say, ya ye enhyehyaya ye toaba. Ni yi nipa baako se, wono na ndi Ghana nyina anim. Da won hwe yen, ye Nyankopon no. Ye Nyankopon no. Because se wanye bibi ye nyina ye betimawu ewo ye man mu ha sei. Enti na ukọ Bible no mu a abre no na yese Nyankopon atu ne hene. Ne hene na wotu ya wodi si ho no ete se enne eye president of any country. Baby o hono mu a yete se omo eto aba. Baby o hono mu a ono appointe ene de kai ka ho. Ana wo hwa Bible mu a ohiri bia ni ho a yeyi na ye izisa. Tumi wohui. Emodu pao. Emodu. She. Emrebia Meka. There is no kingdom in the Bible up to Jesus Christ. Amojangu. So it should tell you, say, yes, sister, Obi wo Tumi, Obi a penny, Obi a president. It's not just an easy thing. But this prophet Kofi Oduro, I na say, Odo die, Obu odiebu, onfa bi ma ye man penny, ye president da. You can belong to any party. I am not saying say or party A and I say party B, but ye nimsa Ghana has say, hey, Obi o Ghana has say or nanti bi our party. Only say a man for ni bi o no mo a, o mo nye can say party politics. But Kofi Oduro wo ye sofo a esese ye hwe edisua de. Wo na esese wo kire discipline. Wo na esese wo kire nkofo se yendi mraso. Wo mom why ye too in discipline in this country. Because officer who preacher who tiem entiemu ninti no chese wo na wo. Hwe 1986 or so, ana mitie Pastor Mensa Otabil, the preaching. That time, who said, na ye yegu cassette so, ni atoto, na ye boni etie. Any ade. No, Mr. Titie no, 1983. Eti, those days, you know, ya ko, that time mo brown hafo. Ye book kumasi bia, no ma to sa cassette no. Na yede ye. Na the cassette bakwa ye tie ye omo ye international organization bi aye survey said na mama award e ba Pastor Mensa Otabil winning the best preacher in West Africa early 80s, best preacher. Ene Pastor Mensa Otabil honum wadaso a o preach. One kase wa preach from that time. Just wa when say you went here or no and they on one. Prophet Kofi Oduro. Makacho say o kasano one kasa ye. Makacho say we nin so adie. Umu adie. She edana metie no. Woko OKFM. No aya no aka kwasia wo Bible mo no akwa bie Proverbs no akwa bie yi. Enya mo asofo na mo say Old Testament no yi wo hunti ane ade New Bible. Na de ntina kwasia na wo New Testament mu na ya wo nkoto. Owura fia Matthew 5:22. Woka bibi fa kwasia ho. Wo se onipa biara a wo bebie wa no aka kire wo nua se wo ye kwasia no. Osra himamu unkobi. Oda wo hwe me bia wo ti ofie wo office anase bibisa wo kita Bible bie ene Bible nye na wo phone so bie na kan waka waso bi obasi ni nua raka ase kire okwase anase onipa hunu osoro himamu unkobi. And this is the man our friend who prophet wo gina ayisu sa wo preach now the man 30 minutes obewie no wa use the word kwase about 20 times. And obi ye kwase to ana wo se wo ye sei ana wo tonyom na ye sei o kwase to ni ne kai ka ho wo ye sa nwema ni nyina. Adam Gogu, it's not a beef. May means that any beef. That beef no, I'm not part of it. I am saying something very fundamental. And who hear the whole nation? And who hear the whole nation? As you say, yeah, politics. Nebia, can politicians, yeah, ubia wo dance about work any other. So, ubia him say, yeah, politics. This is a man of God. You need to teach the principles of God. And yes, Nyankopon enye saka. Nyankopon, yes, God is a God of discipline. Na, yegina yenim say, ye president or ye doctor ni. Wonye obi a wo hwe apomuden ho ene ade. Wode de woko school, ni okoko sua ye a wode ye adwuma eye law. yenim say oye lawyer ye wa doctor for ho a doctor for na nkasa nsoso kra wo ho no mu no ye wo omo ye scientist omo hwehwe enuama mu omo ye say ye wo lab technicians ye wo nurse for ne kai kan they all come together and arrive at certain things enti yare bi wo ho no na say omo hwe kra na enya nipa baako adwene omo nyina kekasa no ma wo nyina bom no omo de aden omo de ayadwuma enti wo mam ye hu say bebi a yaduru no enya Ghana nko asem ne ye kan Wiasia fana nyina. The most powerful country on this earth, America, omu huso. UK for omu huso. Germany for omu huso. Hey, na Ghana de nga ye kanga ye ka hubi. Ebi ato yen. Can you see look? Let us do this. I thought that man for say, lockdown. It's not easy. Yeah, system here in this country. Ya kase shedema ko baby obeden wadidi. Abroje de okase obi shedema. Restaurant for sure restaurant omu yi. Ye wo few people bia omu be delivery. Eti eno ansa wo shawo dem. Wo si o me pe fried rice and chicken. Na wo de wo card na say mobile money. Na wo de atuaka. Ote hwa de abele o. De aduane asikwan no. Na waba befa wade na ode call inside no akwakodidi bibi bia wo pe bia no wo betima hye wo dem 1 year awu sabeka essence systems no so eye kamenti aban pese wo ma obia bibi kakra di to aduane adi a obia sabeka ne de because system no eye kama obia account number obia bibia e wo system mu Ghana hase ye be yeden yakase obi anhye dem a wo be yeten and wo live enti ade yi aginsam president ba wasilo figures na ba bonten no eye so alarming enti asramu public events bibi ti say wedding na say how many weddings na was already them Nancy, Saudi wadi tu for moi. What is a hood ye jina no? Emu 80%. Ensi wa sorry them. A man for see the garden. Ye no was ye ni ne kai ka ho. Obi kra di fie no wa hyehyɛ hodom na sofo aba no aba beden no aba bebresi. Eti weddings, nightclubs, beach. Ene de kai ka ho nyina no. Ye se ye de somato so. Ensi se obia etimi eye sade no. Na asori nsoso no ye hye mo se mokọ asori a munni emra na ye de ato ho no so obia be wura asori dem ho no won horo ne nsa won make sure so ahye nose mask no wo de sanitizer ayayi wo wura asori dem ho a ye ntete ye mu da ye make sure say bibia ye den aye kama ana o kan sa asemu yi sabe President Bonia waye thing. First time I kasi call lockdown. Obi se woni de wo pia kwa abonte kra kwa hwe se obi ani abonte ana. Security for years or more enforce law kakra ye nyina ye hu ye. Send the media for ese efa asem no ana obi apia adenti na ese bia obu nipa no adenti na ese o punish nipa no ene de kai ka ho. Nafe ama saduama no aginsam. President kasa semu ya. Sofu ya ofren ho prophet. Eye prophet Kofi Oduro. Eba ya president nyani okan. Na oye hypocrite. Chese oye nyachum. Now God will punish hypocrisy. Hey! So if we onsro nyamiu. Mede sabe Bible do menimu. But minim one thing. When you read Romans chapter 13 from verse 1 going, ekasembi. Wase mo ma kra nyina amrebro mo ho ase. Enhye tumi biara ewo anu nyamase. na tumi biara ndi ho gye efri onyame. Eti omo ni tumi ni di asie no, omo ne ono Nyankopɔn ene di asie. Prophet Kofi Oduro, Mediamao, kan. Nana Gagra, o kwashe na ubisa de inconsequence. When the update of the COVID, I will be say about president din. When the update. You see, it is a government should take responsibility. Government cannot say nah, will be a question of political rallies. No monkonko tuaba ye inauguration. And in the Kaikaho, and then Amad in Akoso. Look, are you telling me say because of that, you know? Your constitutional ma enyeduma, right? Yenjai na yenya constitutional crisis. Sana obesa ochre. Ah. Opedi ogasare de enye de bakukra. Enye de bakukra. Na ubenya Ghana force so a papa no wakasa yie pa. Wakasa yie pa. Yo. Monkoso. Monkoso pa. Ose usu. I don't think Senka is Obaso Krava for the first time. For you to write that thing. I don't think Senka is Oba me page in Sukra. So, if you think it's needless, why should you come there? You are one of the people or Muma Ghana, your problem, Kesiapano. You are one of them. You are one of them. Yama region at Chirian, I indoctrinate you to a point to say, Chese, ya fam ranya juma. Eti, obiti mekase, mi dware, mi hunso na mi dware no mun sanso no mobile kama, na di padje no musa no mono. Israel, ana nyamsom ehase. You cannot go and do that. Israel, sofubia ni Israel. Prime Minister ebe kasa say COVID in Shishayeni. I'll be baba catch the Prime Minister and say, oh, you're a hypocrite. He will not leave. I'm telling you. I have been to Israel before. Ujina Jerusalem. Uhu Bethlehem say. As one to me ko. What do you mean? Omako Israel. They know. Say Israel. Prime Minister Akasa. Why? Say, you can't say, so for be best original, Ababeka say, why you hypocrite. I mean, Sassam na walkano. Woba, or say, which I would say needless, no. Say, medium or age. Say, why would not say woba? Nasa or shesa papana, and so who say straight away. Aqualano, ye dear bibi, e wunumu. Se peni kasa ese utibi jena no si nchen. Me hunu ye. Me hunu se we a political preacher. Se what they study the preaching. We a political preacher. Ye will be ohono a asofo, yes, you have right to also add a voice. But as no send your no. Etina be say all the time no ayana I am proud of my Bishop Ajinasare. I am proud of him. Last be or Kasembi na amount for say one can ye. The following a year or just say or polishino kama afi ubia who say yes, this is a matured man of God. So on yet no. The meka jinani say asofo ni nyina no mo groups are mo joining. Cancers ne ho de akeka ho mesrem asofo mpenifo moma yehwe bibi me wo ayi bi wa ha se am pese yehwe am say Ghana National Charismatic Churches Council or Council of Churches NACCC na honum am say National Association of Charismatic Churches something. Na oko hono mo sa papa ya sole. Oko sa website na eno number 2 Alambasta Church House Chapel Action Chapel na FS Alambasta ediso na edididiso sa am say omoye no according to alphabetical order ana edididiso na me hwemu ase me hu aya na but me ma sorry nka hu okọ Perez wo Pentecostal Council ehodum any ade na sa council we no am say Bishop that Merce ana odano me nim say odaso eda no a ye wo mpanimfo ahodo bebre amo honum. You need to call this man to order. You need to call this man to order. Because the warrior no emfa kwan mu. Ye can the first 20-30 good pastors in this country. Nedi imam. Ye nimsi abe bodanka Williams mo Bishop Adinasare Pastor Mensa Utabedagwo amsene wenu ya be bobo abasa. Kofi Oduro udi imam. Which how many branches? What it 30 sanu how it's a hifa. Ana ye Samuel Mawe. Then you come and then insult the president. Ni aja to honum say, hey, why nyame ni panti. Me mama me do watem. Me mama me kasantia. Bet me say wasem na wo kan ye no anchire buo. President of a nation. A wakase enne sabreya ye kase wakase obia nkwasha dem na wo wudi America da kwakwasha wo dem ada. Na constitution ni say wo duty say wo boga na ni bia ho ban na yare yi ba no the measures abeto ho no ma wo so a hypocrite. Openi Kofi Oduro umuade na makache say Sunday because of winti no Sunday me man grofo aba wasoro aba beti so one retract I apologize to a year Tuesday expect a press conference from me and I will call all the authorities to call you to order. Menkasi ebechiwo, menkasi ebe yo bibiao. But asofo mpenimfo cancers ne Christian cancer ne ye kakeka ho nyina no, they need to call you to order. Because all conscientizing Ghanaians to resort to indiscipline. Why are we nyina eno ano no? Who perceive Ghanaians and resort to indiscipline? Nanka president akasa, oh, president yet the marginal kakran say be say anasi say. To the point he say you are hypocrite and God will judge you. Hey, Papa we pa bogodie. Share. Makachro me say uti ye nyina ne say Akufo-Addo and the president. Uti ye nyina no. Ekwaya ba ko na ka wa obohu. Kasabre ka obohu say ni omu roll left and right. Kompeti watema ma wa raho. Wodim. But we are not going to do that. Yeah, the big nyina ne say retract the statement and then apologize to the president. He said, oh, friend is all a hypocrite. We are not going to allow that to happen. We are giving you time. So why nya nature se boapayo? And yes, kokra man feri se obesi uhuni so awon so men feri se odas our better so. Aditi na me kasa nyina from 3 days ago, me kasa nyina no, me say me measure me kasa, me kasa eba ma no ejeden entiawo. Me nkonko di watem. But ye twe wadwene si so. Se wo ye nyame nipa a wo se wo ye nyame sofo a sasem we ya me ken. Esese to wakoma so na wo kasa president. I am sorry for that. How can you say that? Are you God? Share, we are see how you we. Share, we Nyankopon a. Nyankopon ne Oko Supreme Court on governor the door. Judges no did no. You have not appeared before them. Nkawa obo hu se ne city. Wo gina omoni mu a, wo hu se ne sunsum eho eye drufa. On ma mebo. Bo betima ka se kokodam for life. And you go. Sankrofoni nyina ehye papa yase. Wo mudi obuo emano. Asofo mpanimfo a mabobo omudi nyina ede obuo ema president. Wodi a wo se wo so sofo ema Ghana hada. Eti president kase bia oba bedi atem. Meanwhile president kase Ghana for emu so free. Na wo di America na wo bu ni free. Na wo di America na wo bu ni free. Yet electricity so na wani age na wo sunlight. I don't know the one guy so a hypocrite. Share. We are not going to allow that. What's up? May say retract it on your platform. Then apologize to the president. Say, what friend so a hypocrite? Ayatem Didier. Bible no, baby a SU2 no wakotu honum no wakan. Share. Okotu Proverbs a yebe kotu Matthew e de amount. So okotu Proverbs yebe kotu Matthew e de amount. E na maka no. Say yes, okwa, ya say so and so kwasia e wo Proverbs wo bekeka ba wo ka oba Matthew honum a chapter 5 honum a wo de wo kan a e ka kire wase obi obesi ni nua se oye kwasia bia osoro ahima mu wonko bi count to number of kwasia wasi nkrofo up to now count to there's a heavy hole ben hwa e dey asem ni ekai do kreda hwa dey agaw ebra covid no mu ye din somewhere June honum mo say you honum say April ho say June ho baby be refi the actual month last year South Korea ye ni ha no mu nyina ekokoye ye kan say omo ye elections corona no mu pa no South Korea and the first country who do elections. Yes, so omo agimiti no mo do election no that be because they have a constitution. Time no pa ho na so mo antimanya, there will be a crisis. Who will call himself a president? I will be manage that situation na. Akamfo e wasembi, wam say ye sukra ija him. So Yesu a ija him. Yare na no odin. Asisi nyina ye hwe ehu so ye. Na wo sofo na nkasa kra. Wa sorry dem. O ada hwe se obia hwe max na de ye kan say. Camera to om so. Why ya there? Wa sorry dem ho nso sa. Wo sofo ya wo kasa yi. Hwe se de wo kasa wo tietiem. Kasa. Wo kasa wan tiemu kra na intesuo free wat no e banketenkete. Na se ne utietie mu tie wo de munte droplets ahodo a eba. You have no idea. You have no idea. Kasa no atiem tie na wo tugum sa na wo tugum. Ebi beki kan crofo max wode na no ka ne nsa ka max no ayi wode ne nsa ka nani anase ne hwene wa infected no. Menka say wo corona but it can be so. Now one serious thing wo kan ya emba me to asadi we so. Ma shed that full video no asi. What's it then? What's it coronavirus no enkokura na ekunkum omo. Should I say you are ignorant about that? Enkwala na you can say enkokura na ekunkum omo. Eti wo kan kwakwa kase chese akufu ado ya kokra. Enkokura fo de kumomo. Na wo de mo nkoso ebe kunkum ye de ye mrantie. Na chese wo kofi odo de o ya brantie. Eti wo de corona no entimi nkum. Yankopon hira opa. Why? Nyankopon shaupa. She obi bi odi na no si Akufo-Addo. So ana Akufo-Addo bewu, ana Akufo-Addo be say, ne nyina Akufo-Addo hwe, wo hwe omo ayie. Wo hwe. Emrantie ne mabawa na omo ye ana Akufo-Addo ay say, Akufo-Addo hwe di nyina. Akwa bi o madam fo ntimi mpese meka ne story. Kasem to Akufo-Addo so ya. Akufo-Addo ku ne yire, ani na otwemienu, na ono an yire awu. Etu de fa wa no si president so. Hey. Sia. Chese odo corona be ku no ejesa. Odo ya branch e enti ubenyi ache. God. Nyankopon ene mani pankon. Nyankopon ne hwe nyina so. Nyankopon. Wode ne hwe nyina so. Enye o preaching tin out as you. You should know. Share one American preacher be a very great pa me refilling. Chese asofo wo kromo nyina obi ate ne nkape na obi aya let obi atie no. Wo ye good. Wo tu kwan ono wo ne private jet wo tu kwan akwaba Rome. Wone ne yire ne manyina omo awu. Nyame nipa okwakoye nyame adwuma wo. Wate atofo mo awu. Amunu mu hono mo a. Etu do ya branch a. Yo koso. Akufo-Addo de ye nyina yenim. So ya kokra. But Nyankopon na boss robo asase no. Obehwe Akufo-Addo so ama Akufo-Addo ani ache. Ama Akufo-Addo ahwe Ghana fo nyina so ama bibia akoso kama. Bibia be koso kama. Etu de koso. Yesramo. Asofo mpedifo. Yesramo. Monfa mo anuntum. Yese ejire so a kafese pa semo ajire so a ni akosofo. Sofo kasa wo se Nyankopon ti obonse no bia ayedin. No bia jetum ni yeko yedim. Nene wo se president ababema update onti ase se wo se ade no kosoro asifu se mra pene sha ase kosoro. Oveni umwadi. Ejo tipeni president. Ana waja anase wona enye wo maame ko a wochemu wo anase sabio wo papa onye nse wo maame enkwane waja ne wona. Ni ehu se peni bia obi bia wodi wanim a woye peni. Wodi akase bia wontimi nwo woye wodua peni kura. Only 60 years old. Only 60 years. Obehwe na bia me ne wa na wo ayi. Bia wa chan mi abe 2 years bia na se biza. Zom. Etese Bible ni se di waja ne wonani na wona ayeden aware e wasase so. Wo ye sofo, you know. And for the ye say Ghana is concerned. Ye nyina ye papa ene Akufo-Addo ene. Jo Mahama ne papa ene Akufo-Addo because ene Akufo-Addo ene ti akonya no so. Akufo-Addo ne ti akonya no so. Etie nyina we look up to him. Na woso oye hypocrite. Eti sofu dro Kofi Odroe se wakufie na oba a wawo no wama instruction vi say yi na ogina wanimu hwe wanimu anu okase wo ye hypocrite. How will you feel? How will you feel? Nie ehame eye indiscipline war inculcating into the people of Ghana. He what can you na sorry for no mu bom nsam say eish Nyankopon fire burning ncheyen wuti asori dem wudi o mampeni atem na sorry ma eyeden e bom nsam wo hawa ya brand yen ya brand food yen eti na no woka no no mo nti ase tie I am telling you enope enana encourage you. No wakati I'm telling you no, me say droplets are na aircon. Na nyagro. Na what the koso kase president ye hypocrite. Eti nsemo a waka no what the wonfa anya asem. When they start hating your church members, ubehu ni padodo ebeba ababeto correction amon. Ubehu. Nanu ya president kase ya ye lockdown kakra. Ma ye nkwa sorry. Na wu kam. Na wu kam. Adentina wanye ni anjina ho. Say ye easy sa. Adentina wanye ni anjina ho. In fact, Ghana for mumma yen sorry. Na yen kasa. Ewo ni DNA obuo kwan so. Papa yi wa anya ni yie, mum yen kan kire no. Akufo-Addo wonye Nyankopon ba. Nyankopon na ma ye wo no, ne ma me ne papa wo no. Na office any Nyankopon adom na wodo so a Akufo-Addo go be president. Hwe circumstances. So I call election severally and so oba be president. It should tell you how Nyankopon edonofa. So ye nyaminipa. Eti o ye nka wasem. But say I've given you up to Sunday in your church service. As I said, wo kasa asem we. Upon second, you should have a way of dealing with it. But you need to apologize to the president. One yes, sir, may say I am going to hold a press conference on this issue. I don't know by a bigger forum. Then the public then would deal with this issue at that level. Yen transe, massa indiscipline, koso. You are to lead. You are to show the way. You can't say Claire Nana okay with that. Would they no crash as a CDO account? So, a 7 I made delay with you. If you are not interested, go off, please. If you are not interested, go off. I am begging you. Pardon. Me odi matter my family. But you cannot touch the president and then we'll keep quiet. We cannot. We cannot. Say political person be and other Papa Kasha ye say NDC for Kasada, CPP for Kasada, Ubia Kasada, Anambwa. What is Ubia kwa comment that? No. Yani ya ye want to say ye politics. Eti ye wo ye kanu political talks. It's there. It's accepted. Wona wo ye sofo. People are looking up to you. You don't do that. You don't do that. Share Germany. Nientia. Womu ye discipline bibia ekoso eye ewo hɔ ne sɛ. Ya wo akola no. Na ye de emra no ahyɛ akola no mu. Eti akwala nim se sadie we yenye wonim se woni akwala nam ewo Germany na wadru kwa ho crossing assault red abani pa se ontimi nko wo hwe kwanu mu ka bia ama be 500 meters away ka bia ama you don't have the right to cross se wo pani no nko agrade a wasam ye ayi kakra se akwala school going age eka wo ho. Now they no cross wa. We are ho na wo people square ti me jo people no twam ni antipoto. Because you so corrupt akola no mind a odinyin. Eti hwe okwa brochira kraman apie. The kraman no nko akra no dru kwan ho be onim se esese ofa zebra crossing so. Odru on no who say red no pe krama ne be gina ho a e so green na no atiasim no okọ enkrama yo e wa brochire. What do we see in Ghana? The bane of Ghana today is our region. Our region. Our region. Among for tenacity. What just say, so for be preacher, would you now who say yes? Make I last Sunday be a sorry. Now you so for preaching. I know go far social media near there. Them say, oh preacher, what chance you meeting na? They say the way I will open my mind that day. What? Now, just say, what you say? Asam wa ma hu nneoma bia this one kasa. That is what we need. Yen chire Ghana for the SSA den ye. Ma yen chire Ghana for in discipline. No. Eti Sofu Kofi Duro. We say coming Sunday, you need to stand on your altar where who can say president a hypocrite because Wabema update, you have to be there and retract and then apologize to the president. You need to do that. It's a must. It's a must. Nana okay. One share my broke war from me so. That is, it is my war. It is my war. And this is not politics. I'm talking about indiscipline. So you're true Ghanaian, you should be concerned about that. You should be concerned about that. And it's in Yatanasia Sabe. Former President Mahama, Ochemi Penny. Ochemi Penny. And say metrase at my private my too insulted. I can't do that. I can't do that. I no more follow me pa no. Answer no bon say manu atra no. Let us say obi the one ababeji too. So because samemeti honum ye politics, ye discussion. Now dia Akufo-Addo atema me nka so ya de ko. No, it is politics. I am talking about a religious leader. And for that matter, a prophet. You see, what can Wama Ghana anya problem no? What can? Because what is so of won't fear sibium. Won't fear say, Misrao, officer won't me fear. I mean, back off and then come baby. What I'm saying is that Prophet Kofi Oduro must apologize to president. Kofi Oduro must retract that he said president you're hypocrite because wababa ma update. Aka say yare no ekosoro yen hwe ehu ye yen share mask yen huru yensa ne yen sanitize yen social distancing. Eti o ye hypocrite no because wa makwa am bia kwakoto aba wa makwa am bia kwakoye inauguration edi ne kaka ho hwe se utie ni statement kra why na wa mo fa ballot paper wo parliament na mo we no hey prophet we are disgrace. You are a disgrace. Because what ye asie dunketia ama asie dunketia say obi fa ballot paper and na no worry no worry me do that. Meanwhile, Carlos was in marks. No one shared those marks. It's what the Fanos marks national warrior because I would teach will be continue. What Gina puppet is so can say parliament will be far ballot paper. Now warrior no one spread there ye. We a disgrace. With all due respect. And you should say, fine. Maybe a baby America. Yankopon ane edan no. Yankopon ane esre se wo ma yen kwatenten. Oh, a problem with also Bempa. Kona koko condemn no why. Pepacho. Kona koko condemn no. Me asemo aba. A sofu bi echre Ghana for in discipline no. Eno ho asem na meka. Eti menka obi asem. Asofo Ghana doso pa. Sofu ba ko pe na meka na asem. Na sa asofo ba ko no a meka na asem no. Eye na asem a waka. Atemu a wadi president. Sa o show Ghana for in discipline. Eno ho asem na meka. Eti o ya. You are on Facebook. So Facebook eh down so kan wo de. Ana mebwa. Ka wo de. Eti mesre se Ghana for moma ye nyina yemfa yano entum na bibia entimi enkoye. Me de what I am seeking to do and say papa no ebeka bibi na sorry ma hu se oh papa adwene ba no ho so kra no watimi aye bibi afa this guy I need to block you because onye ready to I am going to block you. Nana, okay, I'll block you. You will not have access to my wall again. What here? Anyansafona egusu no 8 ye. Eti ye why ye free hodom na ye de yen ho ne ye be. Eti ne me seek to do ni say sofo no ebema na sorry emma. Ehun say look, we as Ghanaians we need to be disciplined. President is one person. Ministers say you omo yes ministers do omo ye 126. Wa sorry ma do so say ministers no, right? Eti ade debate my individuals and ye beba mu and ye ba benya that collective effort to deal with any issue in Ghana. Eti misro wo hoi I don't think say near wo hwehwe free president ho no otimi ye bi ma won sorry ma. I don't think so. I don't think so. Eti, you are also to lead. Make sure. Say bibia koso. Share. Obi say easy za. Enye izo. Enye easy. That sabiama we no. You see, you say it is always good to be bold and fearless. But at times it's better to be coward. During that statement, it is always good to be bold and fearless. But at times it is better to be coward. And you go feel I don't want to ever Morgana ho. I don't want to be to Magasetiamu. David. But the person me catch what they say. We are not going to accept your insult on president. This is not the first time. My monitor watch kakra. Na times the way president ekasa president yem the way obese to phone enye etiesro yase ne opese amanfo eyema no esi se wo yesa bi ema afoforo eti misrawa yes ena Solomon ekano se Bible no kra ekase or kasa about respect would respect na se wo ona wawofo a boshe ewum wase ema wo yeden wonyinche sa samwe menya sofo menya prophet me are just an ordinary person. I'm sorry. Woman makinka me Bible. Kakra minimum no. Sofo Kofi Drew. Say one retract is as way. I apologize to president. Obenya problem. Nyanko problem was sorry no crab. Take it from me. Say one patch wa nyanko pon be ma was sorry no. That ube tietie mo anu bia sorry flu was sorry honom no. Be humble and eat your humble pie. A third president said, you are sorry for calling him a hypocrite. Say that. Why just idea? You have a jump for so you can say 6 months or say electricity in ever more training in full. Ensure I will normally free and I'll be trading in full. If you don't respect the president, I can offer you no. What is your by your Jamaica Waje? A yaw de, oh no, oh soccer, also air condition, with him, a yaw de. What by on fat taxi be amre say, Muntia, no, I say, I didn't know the taxi brain. Ye nim ranoso because a man for woo, ya no cosro, ye hospital signa ye ma. Hey, and that's a Edra and will be catch him say, Yeba Baimu 2017, custom penia, ye no commander, tema, habo, your friend no, can say, Manticojo. Edra will be catch him say, woo, because of COVID. I was so shocked. I was shocked. Hey, Papa, you tell Nasu, come, just say, walk over. I am in one. Dear, a shock me cry. I am the national security coordinator. Hey, what big catcher me say, Papa, ever coso, just say, a bear me to muda. No one to do no cacraja. Yen la him say Ghana dey na program ya malaria o treat malaria do say we na ni ban ho so a papa yiko eh hwe near etutu amanfo sabe despite group of companies eya omuma okwan e ma wo preachi e wo mo TV so ni wo mo radio so despite company baako the manager baako ya oko wo ya gogora Kofi Dro wo chance abrante do bebre o oko eti wuti ho no mo se Kofi Ado ya kokra nti no yare no konkom nkokrafo yo krom ase Yankopon a chese ono na ye the ultimate judge no obe judge wo ni president so say God will judge a president because of a hypocrite and yes sir in the Bible menim say nipa mienu bi kwa sorry dem so boko bompai ba kokọ e wose Nyankopon me nsem fata kra se nka me ba wanim ma ye bone hwa me bone so na jemi ba ko so sorry Nyankopon me dia wonim se me ye kama me ye trini ni me tua me tight me ye bibia babo mo na mo kire yo yesi Nyankopon ehwe ni oka so ye dibonefo no oje no ni oye trini ni no opamo no asori dem enya trini fo ne ko ho ana onim za we so for na se onim se dia na akakakra enye atrene fo ne kwa sorry dem you know Yesu Kristo ama atrene fo ana me boa ensem na o preach no this wo me ba ka che say look share 101 information me dem ba ka che me say look that is not my interest. My interest is not to bring the man down. My interest is for him to apologize to the president. For people to know, say, hey, penny for say didn't need mom. Say, I know from one, as I see to me patch or and then my interest. That's all. That's all. I am not here to bring you down. I will never do. Huh? For me, you receive a quiet and the kid. What are they? And you know, but it is not my interest. Menya so. Menya. Eti sofu Kofi Dro. Awie de me ka kire wa ne se. Ensemo a wo kafa president hu no. Make sure say Sunday we wo betwe nsem na san no wa pa ne chew e wo won sorry mananim. Wan yesa me on Tuesday I am going to hold a press conference on this issue. Now, sorry penny for the groups. National Association of Charismatic Churches Council and the Omomukai Kahun our member no. Me share same penny for anti me and fro. I'm apologize to the president. Be ye press conference no area. On the near who say we are all ready to descend. We are all ready to descend. And would descend heavily. But yes, sir. In discipline, now person will plant it in this country, no, you get the other side of it. You'll get it. Yes, sir. Asofo ye need that so say muna mo beboa ama o man na eden akosoro. Muna mo beboa ama o man na akosoro. But you don't come and be teaching people in discipline. No. We are not going to accept that. We are not. Etienne Kwana chase dabe na start preach yempo. Dabe. Kwasha the man na o yeah we say Matia sorry. Eh? Ya wasofo Ghana ho. Asofo mudim. Omo kasa who say yes, omo akasa. Enye ntientie mu no. Enye ntientie mu no. Ghana for there. Sabe etoda nyama hu na ya so. So de tie no. Eno an ya so. Na ye de akire na yi. Ana president you are hypocrite na man for bom nsem. Hey. Yankopon fa mbɔ ne nkyɛm wate. Yankopon emfa mbɔ ne nkyɛm. Mo Solomon at the 1 Timothy chapter 2 verse 1 and 2. What yaba I kasa about honor. Nidie I emfa ma yempanifo. Nidie. What tra adna he kwasia wo Bible mo kan Proverbs so ni ade. So for ya ka Matthew so bi. Why? Ya ka Matthew so bi. Mekai, I was watching you the first day, and I'm catching my wife and say, look, this kind of software heaven in NCO. And I say, I said, I'm making, and I'm say, what am I for Bible? And I'm making, and I'm saying, okay, what about kind of say, brother Sammy, maybe the issue be no worker. Yes, I mean, umuadie, because you to no can is out. I was sorry, demo. And just say, you're to radio sumbo. We jina puppet so no account kwasia to hey me see that day or you saw kwasia more than 15 times and I'm saying no, this man will not go to heaven. And I'm in far Bible and I'm be Matthew chapter 5 verse 22 and I'm be ya idi want me ngasa and I'm saying yes the Bible no can say ye jina ye gidi say Bible mu asem no e ya asem a e de be ko ba bi dia, then this man will not go to heaven. He's a candidate for hell. I don't regret that too. Say nyame asem. Asem a Bible naka. Say wo se onu akwase a enya dia obetima akọ heaven. Then what sorry. Nyankopon pe arrogance o. Anything was obi obema no hu so bia na ye bre na se. Me se one pa president achewa Nyankopon kasa be bre wase. Wote hwa no wasori na bo se to no waji wani so. Emre bi atwa mu Abrante bi sorry dear friend Apreku my daughter. Edura ya na ono na timi carry the service life for radio so na mamfo di America. Eni ade no mu bufa so sa. Egozi zen. Etimi de me imagine ni. And eye enhye emawo se osofo wo beka se president asemo a meka editi awo no banka ne ye matwe asan keke mayi free na wa sori mana no mugina ho na no mu bo mu nsam ma no o mu nsam mo mu nsam se ye papa yi chese wa kire se o ye matured person wa kire se chese o ka bibi na se anko yi a otimi hu eyeyi na fe ye the discipline ehye enkrofo mu eno adama enawie yi mede nkomo yi atoa so. But I am assuring you se wanye wampa president chew ewo wasori mananim Tuesday expect the press conference The je press conference ni we a. Abo say yes. Ye be kodi ye pa. Ye be kodi ye pa. Na hodom de ye be kire asofo. Say obi ye sofo na so ye arrogant a nipa wo ye. Sofo bia ni hodom a nya menipa bia ni hodom a wo ye arrogant o. I am telling you. Yes, so konya me fear there is peace. Ahobrase. Huh? One other moka fruit of a ye dem. Huh? Your holiness, you know. Arrogance in gahu. Anameboa. Arrogance in gahu. It is a president akasana say, we say when the president in yadwin, it will be dinner temwa. Mecha wo manyankopon. But assassin so I say there, as is upper president at all. What twe wasem ne sign up an cho, one yepa there no the be face opa. Because ye chacho honoma. The next of us so ba be the same thing. The next one be the same thing. Na fa chinsem. Hwe say Ghana say yetimi so nsem so ananua ma ginsem. Hwe obi yare. Yare ya wo yare wo hu say doctor pe e de betima asa yare no. Yes oh yesunsum. Na so menko hospital. No oti hwa no awu. Obi anya ne hwe. Amanfo a awu because of asofo no. You have no idea. Obi anya diabetes, the sugar akosoro. Ese se wo fa dro di control. Ese o ehunhum yare. No what you ne ko no atwahwe no awu. No awu. Ese se yanka ho asemunti no. Opia eye no afa no ho adi anu woko just like that. Besramo. The fruit of the spirit no e ka ho brase. A kind of extension, or cronkron ye, and asumdwe, or door, and in the kakika. One can't arrogance, one can't timidity, and in the kakaka. And the prophet Kofi Oduro, as a so bro once now withdraw statement on now pa president at all. Mrs. One panic may know the best new chromasi, yantiasia. All I want to achieve, and they say there should be discipline in the country. We don't want indiscipline. We don't want it. Yentimi. Dabi. Share the late Reverend Asante Nji. Now, we chairman of your Council of Elders. Last be. Na president ko baby say ya. Na me can. No. Me say hu papa no. Ash. The way I was a bunumu etiap, like I say, hey, just say, me sheni I'm say, hey. So one funny say, one no ye leader ntino, wabaya no opebia. Tepi, obo di ma papa that day, Monsieur adie bebre ewo mu. Monsieur adie bebre ewo mu. Hwe ya mame Elizabeth ohini papa ihu na uhu chese ebuode na nua metin ejanam si I see entia chese wonu no ye president no abrasia eya no wo kaya there was national event bi obi a chia na president asofo no banana president asore gina ho no hwe ni dia Ode mamo asofo. Hwenidi ode mamo. Because we are so funti. President Akasa, oh you hypocrite. God will judge you. Hey. Oh, sofo. Umwade. Sabe. Wanimye. Kaunti min kasa semwe. Wo kasa no wonim se camera sisi usu tu yo bi ona bia nka ho nkasa semwe ana sofo no hufuo no mo aye wode de obeka koso neka de de anyankopɔ obeka se wa ende wa sorry no ma Jeffrey nsam no that day wo behu enye wo ene sofo a waba Ghana wo asofo wo Ghana papa Pastor Mensa Otabil started so wo preaching am say next wo say primary school say middle school am say na wo ho wa preacher babisi ne oda so preaching o brand ho ase boko ajiansare started so wo preaching no na wo hefa o brand ho ase Duncan Williams mpenimfo akese omo wo honum a wo mu nyamedwuma president kasa omo bu omumu hwe 31st yi can say watch night ye kwa sorry na edura yi ye bodwum kakra sofo no stop here because the excitement joy obiesa ehwa no o stop ade no o se ye yapon obi ankwatena se ye modwum no biom so because aden obetima ja amomasa but wonim say president akase yenye sadi we eti wonko eden onko buso eno ade yeka eti enu anom Ghana fo moma nyina yemfa yano yema yano nya baako da yehu se yenya problem a bebi a yebedwane akọ eye ya sofo ho de je omo kasa kire yen a yatie na se sofo entimi enkasa yie na obeya so brachie president kasa no obegina no awofom adi na temo a ensisi yesoso sa sofo no so ensisi yesoso no so mumma ye nyina yemfa ya no entum ne yenkanche papa ne se wankasa yie na ni nso ade wontimi endi Ghana president atem eti omra bonten ewo na sorry dem honom a embepa chew aduanom ami se yajeje correction wie ne de osum no ba wie eti ebeda mu nyina ase na said me shasi a medi kan no you are free o pese o video ni odi beye bia you are free to do it but put my name there, don't add my family within the hopes in your v adoye period so the video we go to baby now the my family attach here I am going to see you that one take it from me what the two baby now what the my family attach it I will see you get me you are free to use it whatever you want to use it for any problem but what I'm saying good I'm say yama quotation the baby 1 Peter 2:1-3 was say submit yourself for the Lord's sake to every I say that's what me to every woman institution whether sorry yani style honum but 1 Peter 2 is it 1-3 or 13 1 Peter 2:13 or 1-3 wamfa yina nhye ho yenti no ya behwe me am fa Bible a mebie na makan eti eno ne ade a ya de ekoyi esese obi atimi esubmit ho ewo awurade enti ema opipia na sa oya waagene se wo de sofo mu nyina mo hyemrase sofo bia ni hono mo so no won de ode no ho so mo de moti se ye na ewo man no mu ye nyina ye hyemrase ye kase obi ankoda wodi America okwakoda bi eni ne kai ka ho eti mesro memma ho so wo de ase se wote se former president Mahama kan bibi no obi ayedin doesn't mean say wono betuma ba beka bi wonti bi meka bi wono nyamedwuma na wo ye you are not into politics eti yade ade ato ho nhyehyeye covid protocols update a president be mai John Mahama ntimi nkase ono oye yinti no wonni so obedi so oye o man papa obedi so eti wo sofo no wo tumi a wo se wo de president diaben oye nyatwom nyankopon be jeje no ene ne kai kan no ene no free o muade wankasa yi bra na be pacho na Sunday mi ankasa me ma soro ho but me nkro for be ba ho pa be 10 bɛyɛ 10 bɛba hɔ ɔmo ba bɛtie wo kasa wo ho a good yɛho sɛ watwe ano asan president me sorry yɛwie wanyɛ deɛ a then prepare to meet me. I am ready for you. Menkɔ di watam menkɔpo menkɔyɛ hwee sɛ ya adwenkyerɛ saa sɛneɛ wɔwɔ ano yɛde kasa no saa na mesomwɔ ano a yɛde kasa but to say president yareɛ no kunkum nkɔkora ana president yakokora nti no yareɛ no bɛkunu no ɔn deɛ mesrɛ Nyankopɔn nhyira ma wan na Nyankopɔn ɛna kyerɛ nipa a obɛfiri asase so nnɛ anaasɛ ɔkyena Nyankopɔn ɛna kyerɛ na Akufo-Addo deɛ we know sɛne David kae no he would live to glorify the works of the Lord. Tiada mo nyinaa ase sɛ moatie Nyankopɔn ɛnka mo nyinaa ho. God bless you all. Bye bye.